Cooking Demo Explained, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cooking demo. This term might be new to some of you, so let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday English. Cooking demo is a short form for cooking demonstration. It's a situation where a cook or chef shows how to prepare a dish or use a cooking technique. These demos can happen in various places like cooking classes, TV shows, or online videos. The key aspect is that the chef demonstrates the cooking process step by step, making it easy to follow and learn. Cooking demos are not just about showing recipes. They are an excellent way for learners to observe cooking skills and techniques. Chefs often share tips and tricks, explain why certain ingredients are used, and demonstrate cooking methods. This helps viewers understand cooking as a process, not just a list of ingredients and steps. In most cooking demos, you'll notice a few common features. 1. Clear explanation. The chef explains each step clearly. 2. Visuals. There are close-up shots of the food and techniques. 3. Engagement. Chefs often interact with their audience, answering questions or sharing anecdotes. 4. Practical tips. Tips on ingredient substitutes, cooking tools, and troubleshooting are usually shared. Cooking demos are a great way to learn kitchen-related vocabulary and phrases. Words like simmer, chop, marinate, and sauté are commonly used. Pay attention to these terms, as they are specific to cooking and can enhance your English vocabulary in this area. We hope this video helps you understand what a cooking demo is and how it can be both informative and enjoyable. Remember, cooking demos are not just about recipes, they're about learning the art of cooking. So next time you come across a cooking demo, watch it with these points in mind. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.